Magical Maths in the Enchanted Forest by Leavam B. Hind. In a forest deep where the moonlight gleams, live creatures straight from bedtime dreams. Tall trees whisper, the flowers sway, and magical maths is the game they play. Beneath a mushroom's umbrella shade, two fairies twirled as music played. Then one more fairy joined in the fun. 2 + 1 makes 3, they sung. A gentle witch with a pointed hat sat by the fire with her sleepy cat. She tossed 2 berries into her stew. Then added 3 more. What should she do? She counted them up with a little grin. 2 + 3 makes 5. Right in. The elves were working near the stream. Their pockets jingled. Oh, what a gleam. They had 4 coins of silver bright. Then found 6 more by lantern light. They laughed and cheered for all to hear. 4 + 6 makes 10. Oh dear. Pixies zipped through the morning air, sprinkling sparkles everywhere. They picked 8 flowers, blue and neat. But 2 flew away on the dragon's heat. 8 - 2 leaves 6, they cried, still holding blossoms side by side. A dragon soared with emerald wings, guarding gold and shiny things. He counted 10 gems, each big and round. But 3 slipped away and fell to the ground. With a rumble, he made it plain. 10 - 3 leaves 7 again. The fairies gathered near a tree to solve a puzzle joyfully. They had 5 cakes, warm and sweet. Then shared 2 cakes with elves to eat. They tapped their toes, both young and old. 5 - 2 is 3, they told. So if you wander through that land and see strange sums drawn in the sand, remember the magic, the smiles, the cheer. Math is a spell we all can hear. Add and subtract with joy and pride, and let enchanted numbers be your guide. Please like and subscribe to keep the channel going and to view more videos like this. Thank you.